Premium cars here. Hey, what's up, pal? What's up? Got the red Lambo. We got our tents. We got a dog pool. Gold Gym outdoor. Pretty sick. Got our Bentley. Blue and gold Lambo. Shouts to Ham Pie. Pretty epic. Pretty epic. We got our tents. It's America. Premium cars. And homies left behind by capitalism. The haves and have-nots, if you will. The 99 and the 1. Yep. What will America do? Will we help our homies? When will we help them? How long has it been? Maybe it's time. Joe Biden, Kamala, AOC, Ted Lieu, Newsom. Let's do it up. Andrew Keegan's Full Circle Church right there. That could be a homeless shelter. I think the churches used to take care of the homeless and the needy. The G-Wagon is the new Prius. The G-Wagon in every garage, surrounded by tents. Keep it herbal. Stay creating. Be yourself. Clowntown, USA. You know how we do. One love. To the beach we go. Shouts to the homies.